today's a lookbook, ladies. Today it's been a while I did a lookbook, so in this video I am not going to be doing too much of talking, but today's video it's all about simple but yet incredibly elegant holiday outfits lookbook. Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. I want to use this moment to say thank you all so much from the beginning of this year up until this very time. I appreciate you all and I wish you all happy holidays, and I want you all to enjoy the outfit the way I'm going to put them together. Also, I want you to enjoy the music and the spirit of the holiday. So ladies, I'm going to be taking a short break from long video from YouTube from the 2nd of December. I'll be taking that short break and I'll return back by the grace of God after the holidays. However, I'm going to be posting short videos. So if you come across my short video during this holiday, just please do help by just liking. You don't have to comment because I know we all are going to be busy with our families and friends, and if you have the time to comment, surely I will respond back by the grace of God. See, so in today's video, just like I mentioned before, it's going to be very simple but yet incredibly elegant holiday outfits idea lookbook. That was a mouthful, but you all will see it in the caption and also in the thumbnail. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into today's video. But if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and please do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And also, do me a favor, please like this video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which of the outfits it's your favorite. Check in your closet, ladies. All these outfits I chose them from my closet. Also, this one that I'm wearing, it's the one that I promoted on Instagram, but I'm going to be showing you, and I will leave the link of some of these outfits if I can find their link in the description box. I hope you all will enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer,
much for watching. Thank you all so much for your support. I wish you all happy holidays, and by the grace of God, I will see you all in next year by the grace of God in long videos. All right, short will be coming up though, but long videos will be after the holidays. Bye bye. Stay blessed.